Good morning, friends. This week I'm going to go through our letters, words, and sounds using an ABC chart. This ABC chart is in your activity choice board for the week. It's in every week's activity choice board. So I'm going to model how to do it, and then you can do it as a part of your morning meeting. A. Apple. A. B. Bat. B. C. Cat. D. Dog. D. E. Ellie. E. F. Fun. F. G. Game. G. H. Hat. I. Itch. I. J. Jug. J. K. Kite. K. L. Lamp. L. M. Man. M. N. Nut. N. O. Octopus. Ah. P. Pan. P. Q. Queen. Qu. R. Rat. S. Snake. S. T. Top. T. U. Up. V. Van. V. W. Wind. W. X. Fox. X. Y. Yellow. Y. Z. Zebra. Z. Now let's take a look at our digraphs. We'll come back to this digraph in a minute. CH. Chin. Ch. Or CH. Charlie. Ch. SH. Ship. Sh. TH. Thumb. TH can also make the louder sound, like in the word this. TH. This. CK. Sock. K. This week we have a new digraph of the week. The digraph is WH. You can hear the sound that the letter team WH makes in the beginning of the word whistle. 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 Even though there are two letters, WH, it doesn't say wh. It makes one sound because it's a digraph. Whistle. Whistle. WH. Whistle. See if you can think of other words that begin with WH at home.